Myself is Tulasi. I'm going to explain about the topic called breach of contract. In this topic, first we can see about the meaning and definition of the contract. A breach of contract means refers to the breaking of the contract or breaking of the obligation which the contract includes. A breach of contract occurs when one party in the binding agreement fails to deliver according to the terms of the agreement or terms of the contract. The breach of contract can happen in both the writing and also the oral talks. The parties involved in the breach of contract may resolve the issues among themselves or with the court of law. This is called as breach of contract. The next topic is types of breach of contract. There are two types of contract. One is actual breach of contract. Another one is anticipated breach of contract. In the case of actual breach of contract, there are two types. Actual breach of contract imposed at the time when the performance is due, and another one is during the performance of the contract. At the time when the performance is due, one or more parties fails to perform their obligation or perform their contract for their objectives. In this case, the actual breach of contract came to an end. The another type is during the performance of the contract. During the performance of the contract, one or more parties fails to do their obligation to the main objectives of the contract. Then the actual breach of contract occurs during the performance of the contract. The next type is anticipated breach of contract. An anticipated breach of contract, a party to an executory contract declares its injunction for not performing the contract before the performance of the contract. This comes under the anticipated breach of contract. The next topic is redemptions for breach of contract. There are 5 redemption for breach of contract. The first redemption is rescission of contracts, suit for damages, suit for specific performance, quantum merit, suit for injections. The first is rescission of contract. The rescission of contract means refers to when one of the parties of the contract does not fulfill their obligation, then the other parties of the contract refuse the performance of its obligation. It will come under the rescission of the contract. This will come under as per the section 65 of the Indian Contract Act. The second redemption is suit for damages. Suit for damages will come under the section 73. Clearly states that the parties who have suffered since other parties has broken the promise or broken the acceptance can claim the compensation for their losses or damages caused to them in the normal course of the business or ordinary course of the business. There are various types of damages like liquidated damages and unliquidated damages or comes under this suit for damages under the section 73 of the Contract Act. The next one is suit upon quantum merit. The quantum merit, the word refers to as much is earned. At the time when one party of the contract is relevant for the finishing is performance of the contract by other parties, he claimed the quantum merit. So he must pay the responsible remuneration for the party of the contract he has already performed. He could remunerate for the performance he has to provided or the value of the work he has started already done. The next topic is suit for specific performance. This means a party in a breach will actually have to carry out these duties according to the contract. In certain cases, the court may insist that the parties carry out of an agreement. For example, A declared A agreed to buy the land of B. B has refused to sell. The court may order B to perform his duty and responsibility to sell his land to A. This example will shoot for specific performance. The loss redemption for contract is shoot for injection. A injection is basically like a space for specific performance, but for a negative contract. A injection is a court order restraining a person from doing a particular act. So a contract may guarantee an injection to stop a party of the contract from doing something he promised not to do. The could stop the commission of an act or a mandatory injection. It will stop the continuity of the contract that is unlawfully. These are the 5 types of redemption of the contract or redemption of breach of contract. This every contract will come under these 5 types only. Finding the conclusion, in every contract the breach will happen day-to-day life. For this breach, other the members of the contract should not suffer. If they suffer, they can use this redemption, this 5 redemption for their losses or for their damages. These must be a valid contract, and since a breach that goes to the root of the contract for the restoration for the breach to occur. Thank you.